In this video, we look at how to use the Annotate measure and the interactive cube tool. Let's get started. We can move on to the Annotate tool. That gives you the ability to draw freely on the screen. By holding the left mouse button on the tool, you can switch between line, polygon, or an eraser tool. The related options for these tools appear at the top of the header in the 3D view. Click and draw somewhere on screen. This gets added as a layer, so from the drop-down, control the color, visibility, name, thickness, and opacity. Changing the color specifically applies to the current scribble you've made. You can find these properties also available in the View tab on the sidebar. If you expand the Annotation tab, these options will be revealed. Here you can double-click on the name Note and we can rename this scribble. There's a special option called onion skinning that helps you animate what you draw using the timeline. You can use the before and after settings from the drop-down to observe these changes. Right at the top you'll find the placement settings, which control the positioning of your annotation. By default, it's set to the 3D cursor, aligning your drawing with the plane of the 3D cursor. If you rotate your view, the alignment with the 3D cursor will become evident. Pressing Shift and right-clicking to reposition the cursor will allow you to draw another annotation aligned to the new cursor position. Other alignment options include View and Surface. While the View option aligns drawings to your current perspective, Surface enables you to draw directly on object surfaces. If you wish to remove an Annotate layer, simply click the minus sign. Next in line is the Measure tool, a valuable asset for swiftly determining distances between 2 points or getting the angle. Let's get a closer look, so from the Add menu, let's add a new cube. By pressing Ctrl, you can activate Snap and highlight the corner vertex with a left click. Continue holding Ctrl and move the cursor across. You might notice this can also snap to the midpoint, but let's snap to the opposite vertex to display the distance, which in this case is 2 meters. You can repurpose this measurement by hovering over the endpoint until a particular icon emerges. Select that point and snap it across the diagonal to record that distance. This tool also exhibits angles. Left select, hold the distance away from the edge, and a fresh point is made. Press Ctrl and snap to a corner or midpoint vertex, and the angle measurement will be displayed. If you wish to remove this angle, select the point, and an X will highlight. Pressing X deletes it, reverting to the original distance measurement. If you wish to remove the dimension altogether, press X again to delete. Lastly, we can explore the interactive creation tool, which allows you to draw shapes in the scene or on top of other objects. Left click and drag to shape the rectangle. Release and drag again to set the height. You can create these on another cube by pressing Ctrl to activate snap and snapping to a vertex. If you want to draw a square, left click, drag and press Shift to maintain the aspect ratio. Pressing and releasing Shift once more forms a perfect cube. The Properties box then enables adjustments to size, location and rotation. If you left click and hold, other geometric primitives become accessible in the list. This tool is particularly useful for quickly blocking in objects of varying sizes, providing flexibility in your design process.